Hi there, and welcome to Breathe. Our days are sometimes so hectic that we even forget to take a minute for ourselves. And a few minutes to hit pause and just breathe helps dramatically reduce stress levels and is the perfect way to recharge our minds. I'd like to invite you to find a comfortable position, wherever that may be. And when you're ready, gently start to close your eyes. Let's start by taking a deep breath through your nose and out through your mouth. Feeling the air expand your lungs on the inhale and releasing any tension in your body on the exhale. Let yourself drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and loosen up any part of your body that may be holding stress. Begin to feel your body become more and more relaxed with each breath. You may find yourself distracted with other thoughts, and that's okay. Acknowledge these thoughts and just let them pass. Continue taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale. Hold your breath. And release. And one more time. Inhale. Hold your breath and release. Notice how your body and mind are feeling in this moment. Notice how this feeling compares to how you were feeling earlier in the day. Next time you find yourself in a busy day, return to this feeling of calmness and give yourself a few moments to breathe and recharge, just like how you are now. Let's take a few more breaths together. Breathing in deeply and breathing out slowly. And one more time. Breathing in deeply and breathing out slowly. Whenever you're ready, go ahead and slowly open your eyes. If you enjoyed this meditation, please make sure to subscribe and let us know in the comments what other meditations you'd like to experience. Thank you for joining us in this guided meditation for reset and recharge. And thank you for giving yourself this time. Today's going to be a great day.